During COVID, of course, there was a lot of interest in the product, in credit insurance, because there's this uncertainty. What's going to happen? We don't know. Do you feel like that's tapered off now when we're back to the it'll be okay, see, we got through that? Do you feel that that's coming in now?
COVID was interesting with regards to the government support that was lent to a lot of businesses, which allowed the typical businesses, or the standard average number of businesses that would go insolvent every year, stay afloat. And that's been well documented in how people talk about the zombie companies and so on. And meanwhile, the ATO wasn't as quick at following up outstanding debts as they typically are, and giving businesses a bit of space to breathe. The banks also did similar. We're back now to where we saw a spike in claim insolvency activity in August 2020. So the December-January numbers are that 5.1% of businesses are going insolvent. That's forecast to rise to 5.6% this year in 2025. The hospitality sector, for example, is under a lot of pressure at the moment. Costs of products are going up. The working from home balance and the cost of living and inflation is having impact with their standard or average footfall. And we're also seeing in the business in the construction sector, which is typically one of the champion industries in Australia, that businesses are continuing to do it tough. Jerry Harvey came out recently talking about how difficult it is to develop at this point in time and enter into a profitable business or contract. So there's a lot of pressures out there, and I feel that life is a lot less predictable now than it was in the late 90s.
Yeah, that's what's concerning now. What are the attitudes towards protecting your business, growing your business, given what people have gone through in the last 3 or 4 years? And you do see a difference in the various states as well. Yeah. Some states were much harder. Of course, the state you come from was much harder living than it was here. So people are out a lot more. But I wonder whether that sense of trusting and she'll be right has been impacted by that.